There are four methods of Carl-Pearson's correlation coefficient. So the first one is actual mean, second is direct method, and the third one is assumed mean method, and the fourth one step deviation method. So we will study all the four methods one after the other. Let us start with actual mean method. We have a question here. Calculate Carl-Pearson's correlation coefficient from the following data and interpret the result. We have three columns in the question here. Firm, 10 firms here. Sales, rupees in thousands. Expenses, rupees in thousands. This question we are going to do the answer in actual mean method. So let us start our answer solution. We need to make 7 columns here. So in the first column, we will write sales, rupees in thousands. We will give that as X, capital letter X. And we will copy from the question all the numbers as it is. After writing down, we will total it and write down summation of X is equal to, after that, the total is 580. In the second column, we need to find out the dx value or the deviation. So dx equal to X minus mean of X. So mean of X or X bar is equal to 58. In the first column, the total is 580. So we will remove that 0 and we will take out that 58 as the X bar. Now, let us try to find out the X bar values. In the first step, from the first column, 50, X value is 50. So X minus X bar. 50 minus 58 is equal to minus 8. We'll write there in the second column. Again, next step, 50 minus 58, again, minus 8. 55 minus 58, minus 3. 60 minus 58, 2. 65 minus 58, 7. And so on. We need to solve like that for the second column. The third column is dx square. So we need to multiply 2 times dx value from the second column. Okay, so first one is minus 8 from the second column. So minus 8 into minus 8 will be, minus into minus will be plus, and 8 into 8 will be 64. Second step also like that. Minus 8 into minus 8, 64. Minus 3 into minus 3, 9. 2 into 2, 4. 7 into 7, 49. Like that, we will find out those values. After finding out all the values for dx square, we need to total it and write it down at the bottom. So summation of dx square is equal to, total will be 360. The fourth column is expenses. We need to copy from the question as it is. Expenses rupees in thousands, and we will give that as y values. Okay, so all the numbers we'll copy from the question. After that, we will total it and write down at the bottom. Summation of y equal to 140. Now, fifth column, dy. We need to find out the deviation of dy. Y. So dy is equal to y minus mean of y. It means y bar equal to. We need to find out. We are writing there 14. How? Because in the fourth column, total is 140. 0. If we remove it, it's 14. So we'll choose that 14. So let us find out dy equal to y minus y bar. So 12 minus 14 will be minus 2. 13 minus 14 will be minus 1. 13 minus same. Again, 16 minus 14 will be 2. 16 minus 14 will be 2 again. Like that, we will find out dy values. In dy square, we'll find out, it means in the sixth column, dy square, we'll find out the squares. Square of the fifth column, dy values. So minus 2 into minus 2 will be minus into minus plus, and 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Like that, okay? So all the values after finding out, we need to total it and write down. Therefore, summation of dy square is equal to 18. Now the seventh column will be dx dy. It means dx into dy. We need to multiply dx value from the second column and dy value from the fifth column. So minus 8 into minus 2 is equal to minus into minus plus, and 8 2s are 16. Minus 8 into minus 1, minus into minus plus, and 8 1s are 8. Minus 3 into minus 1 will be plus value, 3 1s are 3. 2 2s are 4. 7 2s are 14. Like that, we need to multiply and write down. The second column and the fifth column, we need to multiply and write down. Then we will get all those dx dy values, the seventh column. After finishing, we need to total it and write down the summation of dx dy equal to 65. Now, we need to write down the formula. So, r is equal to summation of dx dy divided by root of summation of dx square into summation of dy square, where dx equal to x minus x bar, dy equal to y minus y bar. Everything we have already done in the table here. So, r equal to summation of dx dy divided by root of dx square into summation of dy square equal to, in place of summation of dx dy, we'll write from the total, the last column, the seventh column, total is 65. So we'll write on that one. Divided by root of dx square, total is 360, which is from the third column. And this 18 summation of dy square, it is from the 6th column, 18. So 65 divided by root of 6, 360 into 18 will be 6,480, which is equal to 60 divided by, if we find out the square root of 6,480, we are getting 80.5. So if we divide 65 by 80.5, we are getting 0.807. So there is a high degree of positive correlation between sales and expenses incurred by the company. In other words, it means with increase in expenses, sales increases.